दिस वीडियो इज़ इन इंग्लिश। इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखने के लिए नीचे दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक करें। Hey guys, so this is the skirt I will be going to convert into a beautiful dress. Trust me guys, it will be very easy to make. So firstly you have to cut the elastic or the strap at the waist part of the skirt. We will not use the elastic in this DIY but definitely will be using for the another one. So I will keep it. Now you will get this type of cloth. After that, take any of your straight long dress which should be in A shape and make sure it should be of proper fitting you prefer. Now measure the dress from above till the waistline or measure how long you want your top of the dress. In my case it is 16 inch. After measuring, fold the dress and keep it on the cloth the way I am doing. Now from one side the skirt is already stitched in A shape and from the another side we will draw a line to give it a A shape. I am keeping 1 inch seam allowance. Now cut it out. Guys, if you don't have any long dress, you can take your short dress also, that should be in A shape, or you can take your kurta, that will also work. You can change the dress length accordingly. Now flip the cloth. Keep the right side together so that the wrong side is facing you and the side edge. After stitching, it will look like this. Now keep it aside. Now take the remaining portion of the skirt for making the upper part of the dress. I want this strip in my top portion, so I will cut the cloth leaving 1 inch of seam allowance. I am folding the fabric wrong side facing me. Now place the dress upper portion on it which we have taken for the measurement. As you know, I have already noted the measurement for the top portion previously, that is 16 inch. So I will adjust it according to the length of the top I want. Now trace it as I am doing, leaving 1 inch seam allowance. And because I want to attach a strap on shoulder, so I will leave 1 inch from above. Now I will draw a straight line in order to give my top a V-neck. And now cut it. And your front is ready. Similarly, make back of the top from remaining cloth. Fold the cloth and place folded front part of the top on it and trace it, like I am doing. And then cut it. And you will get two pieces like this. Now stitch the both pieces from inside. I have stitched it and now I want this printed strip, so I will remove the lace and keep it aside. Make a strap and stitch it on the neck. Now also hem the armholes of the top from inside, and after doing both things you will get this. Now you have to attach upper and the lower portion like I am doing. We have to attach two straps also so that we can tie at the back. So while stitching, we have to leave space from both the corners so that we can attach the strap afterwards. Let me give you a close-up look. First attach front part of top and front part of skirt like this, and then the back part. Remember to leave some portion unstitched at both the corners. And now after stitching, you will get this. I have made two strips to attach at the corner of the dress. Now what we have to do, insert small portion of strip in the side hole which we have made and stitch it from inside. Do this from both the sides. And after stitching, also hem back neck. Now at last attach two straps on shoulder which is cutted from lace from the skirt remaining portion. Do the way I am doing. And your dress is ready. Guys, subscribe my channel, like and also comment for the next DIY. Thank you so much. Bye bye.